Hey, it's Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in all sorts of condition in Louisiana. I'm here at this property we're purchasing on the west bank of Jefferson Parish. It's a double. It's actually boarded up and it's been vacant for a while. The owners live out of state and they had some squatters living here at some point, which they got out of the house. But they're getting code enforcement liens, tax liens on the property, and rental properties and properties you keep are meant to make you money, and unfortunately in this case this money is just costing the owner more and more money. So look, they decided to sell it to us. So we are happy to buy properties like this all cash. You see it's in pretty bad condition. As I said, that it got a little bit trashed from people squatting in the house. There's definitely a fair bit to fix. Definitely not ready to be listed for a homeowner to move into, but it's okay because we buy houses like this. We're happy to do them up. I don't know if I can show you the house that much because there's no real power, but it's gonna need a little bit of work. It's dated, and there's definitely a few issues with it, but that's okay. Look, we buy these sort of houses for cash. We'll come in and put in the expertise and money to do them up, and get them ready for a new homeowner or tenant to move into. We don't mind if there's some stuff in it. We'll just clear that out, or put it in the dumpsters, or donate what we can to charity if that's appropriate. So look, if you have a house like this you're looking to sell in Louisiana, reach out to us. We pride ourselves on being really easy to work with. We don't mind fixing things and doing work. Since we pay cash, there's not a lot of hoops to jump through. We don't need to get bank financing. They don't have to do those inspections. Since we pay cash, we can also close real fast. So we pride ourselves on making a real simple service. So if you're looking to sell a property, give us a call. We'll be happy to chat to you about it and give you some advice. Look, even if we aren't the best buyers for you, we'll tell you that, and we'll give you advice on what you can do. We're only going to do a deal if we smile and you're smiling at the closing table. So look, in this case, the owner's definitely going to be smiling. They're going to be happy to have got rid of this burden and to make some money out of it. And look, we're also going to be happy to have a good project that we can sink into and fix up. So look, reach out to us, homebuyerlouisiana.com, or just give us a call. Thanks so much, guys.